Welcome back to the Deep Dive. Today, we're taking you right into the production booth to look at a piece of gear that's really changing the game.
It's the AIDA Imaging PTZ-NDI-X12.
Exactly. And our mission here is not just to, review the camera. We want to understand how they packed so many pro features, especially NDI technology, into a $1,200 camera.
Right, and this is a big deal for AIDA. It's their first camera to actually use NDI.
So it promises to make everything simpler. You can just use your existing network. So what exactly is NDI? Why is everyone talking about it?
Well, think of it as the end of needing all those clunky specialized cables like SDI.
Okay.
NDI stands for Network Device Interface. It's this royalty-free standard that lets every piece of video gear on a regular Ethernet network just see each other and talk to each other.
So wait, instead of running dedicated video cables for every single camera, you're just plugging them into the network and setting broadcast quality video over that.
That's it. Multiple streams, video, audio, all at once.
But what about lag? I mean,
Yeah.
in a live show, latency is the enemy, right?
It is, and that's the magic of it. NDI is built from the ground up for low latency. It's frame accurate. It can handle huge streams like 4K video, 16 channels of audio without a problem. And this camera specifically uses something called NDI-HX.
Ah, the high-efficiency version.
Yes. It uses some really smart compression, which means you don't need some crazy, super fast, dedicated network for it to work.
So you can run it on the network you probably already have? That's a huge cost saving right there.
A massive one. And then you look at the camera itself, the hardware, you're getting a full HD progressive scan sensor, which is great.
And it has that advanced digital image processor. I saw that on the spec sheet.
Which leads to this feature, that motion-compensated temporal noise reduction.
Okay, that's a mouthful. So for you at home, what that really means is you get clean, sharp video, even if the camera's moving fast or if you're shooting in low light, no blur.
Exactly. It's actively cleaning up the image in real time. And the movement on this thing is really solid. It has a 20x optical zoom.
So you've got the reach for bigger venues.
You do. Plus, a huge pan range, 340 degrees, and you can program 128 different preset positions.
So your robotic movements are going to be super fast and reliable. What I appreciate most is the connectivity. They haven't abandoned people with older gear.
Right, it's a hybrid approach.
Yeah, you get the NDI-HX for your network workflow, but you still have your standard 3G SDI and HDMI outputs. You can ease into the IP world.
And that IP integration goes deeper. It uses VSCA over IP for camera control.
So not just the video, but the actual control signals, the pan, the tilt, the zoom, are all on that same single network cable.
All of it. And it sticks to broadcast standards like SMPTE 424, so it just works with professional gear.
All right, let's pivot to the price, because this is where it gets really compelling.
Yep.
It's listed at $1,200.
Which is incredible for these features.
It is. And here's a little tip we found. AIDA adds a 15% tariff, but that's already baked into the price, so no surprises when you go to buy it.
And the vendor, HD TV Supply, they throw in free shipping in the U.S. and a 2-year warranty.
Good to know.
And the camera itself is light. It's under 3 pounds. Plus, they ship it with the latest firmware already installed, so you can just plug it in and go.
So let's wrap this up. The PTZ-NDI-X12 is this really robust, really versatile camera. It's built around the power of NDI to bring professional features down to a price that, honestly, is accessible to almost anyone.
It's a true broadcast solution.
It is. And that brings us to our final thought for you to chew on. With protocols like VSCA over IP taking over, we're seeing power, video, and control all moving to a single standard network cable. So how does that radical simplification change how we design our studios? Does the next generation of broadcast setups need fewer cable runners and maybe more network engineers?